right, we're back with another lot walk. I'm going to show you guys all the new inventory. We got a good mix of classic and modern on this one. I think you're going to like it. So of course, I'm going to show you all the new inventory. I'm also going to briefly go over the existing inventory just to give you a refresher or in case you haven't seen it. All the new inventory you're about to see will be available starting around midday Monday. You can check maplemotors.com around that time and get some more info, etc. So let's get started. So these first few are going to be existing inventory. You may have seen these before. We got to eat our vegetables first. Starting off, we got a 1969 Chevy Chevelle priced at $37,900. It's got a big block 402 connected to a 4-speed manual, power steering, power disc brakes, performance upgrades, and more. Next up, a 1969 Chevy Chevelle. This one priced at $27,900. It's got a 350 under the hood with an automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, performance upgrades, and more. Next up, this time a 1968 Chevy Chevelle priced at $27,900. All right, finally getting to some new inventory here, and you guessed it, another Chevelle. This time a 1969 Chevelle priced at $36,900. Moving on to the next new ride on the lot, another 1969 Chevelle priced at $33,900. Back to back to back new inventory. Yes, you guessed it. Another Chevelle, but this time a 1971 Chevy Chevelle priced at $35,900. All right, just in case you only thought we sold Chevelles, we got a 1991 Pontiac Trans Am priced at $15,900. This is current inventory. All right, you've seen this one before, a 1971 Chevy Corvette priced at $27,900. Got a 350 automatic transmission, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, dual exhaust, bucket seats, console with floor shifter, and more. More new inventory, this time a little more modern, a 2001 Chevy Corvette convertible priced at $15,900. And yes, 2001 is technically considered a classic. Next up, more existing inventory. This 67 Chevy Camaro convertible is looking for a good home. It's potty trained, got a 283 under the hood, automatic transmission, chrome accessories, dual exhaust with Flowmasters, bucket seats, aftermarket gauges, CD player. This next one is current inventory, but it's pretty new on the lot. A 69 Chevy Camaro priced at $37,900. Next up, this one's pretty new on the lot. 1967 Chevy Camaro convertible priced at $34,900. Got a 350, automatic transmission, power steering, Edelbrock engine accessories, bucket seats, and more. We're going to get to some more new inventory here soon, but next up, a 1951 Chevy Deluxe 2-door hardtop priced at $22,900. Some people are a fan of the Flames, some not, but I know you got to be a fan of the 350 under the hood with a 4-speed manual. I promise we're going to get some new inventory after this one. Finishing up this row, though, with some current inventory. You've probably seen this one if you haven't. It's a 1955 Chevy 210. 2-door hardtop priced at $37,900. It's got a 350 with an automatic, air conditioning, performance upgrades, chrome and aluminum accessories, headers, dual exhaust, custom interior, the list goes on. All right, finally some new inventory, new and modern. A 2016 Dodge Challenger SRT priced at $29,900. Another newer one, but still considered a classic, a 1996 Chevy Impala SS, priced at $29,900, with only 48,000 miles. These typically don't last long on the lot. Get it while you can. Next up, another new ride, a 1971 Chevy C10, priced at $16,900. right, 4 new rides in a row. This new one is a 1970 Chevy Monte Carlo. It's priced at $16,900. More current inventory. This was a favorite from last week, a 1966 Pontiac GTO. It's got a 389 under the hood with an automatic transmission, power steering, chrome accessories, dual exhaust, and more. This one you've seen before. It's a 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner, priced at $39,900. Got a matching numbers 383 under the hood with an automatic, power steering, classic auto air conditioning, performance upgrades, and more. All it's missing is you. All right, we're going to finish up the lot walk with a 1963 Buick Riviera, priced at $29,900. Got a matching numbers 401, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, Edelbrock accessories, dual exhaust, and custom interior. All right, leave me a comment below. Let me know which one was your favorite. This coming week, I'm going to be posting detailed overviews of all the new inventory you just saw. We're going to take a deep dive on each car, look at them in a lot more detail. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss that. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.